My name's Nick. I started Nick's Electronics Repair just over a decade ago, and since then we have fixed over 25,000 devices. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Hisense with model number 75H6570G. And for this one, when I tried to launch one of the apps, we have issues. The apps will close right back up. Okay, and right now we're on a black screen and I can't seem to be able to navigate back to the home. So now it is showing storage space is running out, which is also a common issue that we see. Now I could go through the uninstall the applications, but that's actually not going to resolve the issue. So we're going to hit cancel and we're going to try and get some more of the symptoms to occur here. So the TV seems to be unresponsive, so we're going to completely shut it down. And we're going to power it back up. All right, and we're going to try to navigate to some of the apps again. Let's see what we get. All right, and it does look like our Prime Video is opening up. Okay, it says the Wi-Fi is not connected. We were just connected a second ago to the Wi-Fi. 0.6. You know, I'm not sure what that is. I've not actually seen that before. All right, and I did just type in the password a moment ago, so it looks like it forgot the Wi-Fi password. I don't think there's a point in troubleshooting further. We've already seen a few issues. We have issues with the apps properly opening. We have the Wi-Fi password being forgotten, and then we had the memory is full message that appeared on screen. So let's open it up and take a closer look at the main board, which is going to be the cause of all of these failures. Now, the component that typically fails and causes all of these issues is going to be hiding behind this heatsink. So let's go ahead and remove it. And to do that, we're simply going to pinch these two clips and push them through. And now we've exposed our eMMC chip over here. Now, most often we can't actually detect whether or not this chip is defective. So in order to find out if it's defective, we actually need to remove it off of the board and put it in our eMMC programmer, which will then let us know if it is defective or not. Now, if the programmer says that the eMMC chip is actually in working order, what that means is that the software is corrupted. In either case, we still replace the eMMC chip because it is known to commonly fail, and we don't want to have a repeat failure after rewriting the software to a potentially defective chip or a chip that will be near its end of life. All right, let's begin the removal process. eMMC, which stands for Embedded Multimedia Card, is a small storage device made up of NAND flash memory and a storage controller. All this really means is that the eMMC chip is the hard drive of the TV. When the hard drive starts to malfunction, it can cause a variety of problems such as the ones we are experiencing here today. Okay, we are placing the eMMC inside of our EasyJTag programmer, and when we scan it, it does say, warning, health report is very bad. It is urgent that we replace this chip, so that's what we'll do. We have our new eMMC chip installed, but before we install the heatsink back on, we're going to remove all of the old crusty thermal paste. So we're going to start by adding a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to make it easier to wipe off. And now typically I'm not too worried about the processors on the Hisense main boards getting too hot and overheating. They don't actually get very hot to begin with, which is why we're going to put some fairly comparable ceramic thermal paste back on. Okay, and it looks like we have pretty good spread here. So we'll go ahead and lock it in. And now we're ready to live test back in the TV. We've reinstalled the main board back into the TV. So let's go ahead and check out some of our apps and see if they work. I'm just going to load up YouTube, and it does seem to be loading up. Let's just make sure our audio and video is working. And it looks like everything's working. Now, I did actually do a little bit more troubleshooting. I did turn the TV on and off several times, making sure that the Wi-Fi was still connecting every single time, and it is. So we do have a successful repair. If you're interested in sending in this main board for us to fix, we will have links to our flat rate services. That'll be in the description down below. Otherwise, if you're interested in checking out a video showing exactly how to remove the main board and how to remove the back cover for this TV, we'll have that right over here. Otherwise, if you found the content helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.